What if I told you? Some scientists believe they've already bent time, not in movies, not in fiction, but in real labs, hidden from public view. A lab in the US once reported a particle disappearing and reappearing a second earlier. A military researcher claimed a device could send signals into the past. And deep underground, classified projects are testing technologies we may never be allowed to see. Welcome to Tech Science Insights, where we uncover the science you were never meant to understand. If you're curious enough to question reality, consider subscribing. No pressure, just discovery. Let's begin. Time travel. Is it still a theory? Or has someone already crossed the line? The science behind time travel. Fact or fantasy? We've all seen it in movies, from Interstellar to Avengers Endgame. The idea of humans traveling through time, jumping to the past or the future. But what does science really say? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not constant. It bends and stretches depending on gravity and speed. If you travel near the speed of light, time slows down for you. This isn't theory. It's been proven with atomic clocks on satellites. And inside black holes, time behaves so strangely. Some scientists believe you could theoretically travel to the future. So the concept isn't science fiction anymore. It's a matter of control. And that's exactly what some secret labs are allegedly working on. Government experiments. What's really going on? Let's go back to 2004. A classified experiment known as Project Pegasus surfaced in conspiracy circles. The claim? The US government used quantum tech and teleportation experiments to send children into different timelines for military intelligence. Unbelievable? Yes, but here's where it gets creepy. In 2016, leaked papers from DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, showed they were funding time-dilation field manipulation, code for temporal disruption. Then there's CERN, the European nuclear research facility behind the Large Hadron Collider. Some physicists warned, "We are smashing particles together at speeds nature never intended. We could accidentally open a tear in space-time." In 2019, a group of particles appeared to reverse direction against the arrow of time, something no one expected. So is it just research? Or are scientists testing reality itself? Mandela effect. Proof that time has already been changed? You may have heard of the Mandela effect, a strange phenomenon where millions of people remember history differently. Examples. Fabrezi used to have 2 E's? Nope, not anymore. The Monopoly man had a monocle? Not in this timeline. And Nelson Mandela? Millions remember him dying in the 1980s, but he actually died in 2013. Are these just false memories? Or has time already been tampered with? Some theorists believe the Mandela effect is evidence of timeline interference, small changes caused by experiments that altered the fabric of time. And with quantum computing now capable of processing alternate states, could we be unintentionally slipping between realities? The dangers of playing with time is not just a measurement. In Islam and science, it's a sacred structure of existence. The Quran says, "Indeed, Allah is the creator of time." Tampering with it could mean tampering with Qadr, destiny. What happens if a message is sent to the past? Can you stop a war before it starts? Or worse, create one that never existed? Even Stephen Hawking warned, if time travel were possible, the consequences could be catastrophic. Imagine undoing the birth of someone important, erasing your own memory, causing loops that trap people in endless timelines. This is not just theoretical chaos, it's spiritual danger, because time belongs to the one who created it, and those who try to control it may lose their place in it. So, has someone already done it? We don't know, but signs suggest experiments are underway, anomalies have occurred, and something has changed. It may not be a time machine, it may just be a ripple that shifts reality without us even knowing. And when that happens, you won't even remember what time used to be. You just stepped into a story bigger than imagination. Because if time can be bent, Truth can be rewritten. This was Tech Science Insights. Thank you for watching. For more deep dives into the dangerous side of innovation, consider subscribing. Because somewhere, someone might already be messing with our past, and we won't know until it's too late.